Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Very sunny day here today in southern West Virginia. We are at a sawmill up here in southern West Virginia, and they have some international workers, and they stay in campers, and there was an issue on this one. Let's go inside out of that bright sun and we'll talk about the issue. So the call I got was the Dometic Thermostat had an E1 code. I was thinking that was a communication code. So I get here, and the funny thing is, I can't get the thermostat to go back into the E1 fault. Maybe it'll time out here in a minute. I can show you. Like I said, I was thinking E1 was a communication code because it's getting a little cooler here now, and they were wanting to run the heat, and the heat wasn't working. So I came in. This is just how I found the wires hanging out of the air conditioner for the control box. That thing's still not faulting out. First thing I do is I look up here and I see the orange wire, which I know is the communication wire. Well, there's nothing hooked to it. And I look here, here's a wire that's broke off. So I just stick it up in the connector, and voila, it all worked. Why are them wires hanging out there like that? I don't know. I'd say somebody accidentally grabbed that wire maybe and broke it. I don't know why that thermostat won't go into E1 code. I saw it when I got here. It was just E1, wouldn't do anything. Of course, it's not doing anything now. I got it on furnace. They got it on 85. Where they're from, it's a little warmer climate, and them poor guys freeze to death here. So, wonder how long that thermostat would take to get to an E1 code. I know it can't have any communication because there's nothing hooked to the communication wire. So I don't know. Huh. I thought that was immediate. So that just goes to show how much I know. So I'm going to reconnect these wires here, and everything should work. Hope. Oh, let's see here. Let's go ahead and strip this little green wire. Let's cut our thermostat off first. And strip this little green wire back a little bit. And cut the connector off the communication wire. Has one of the bell connectors on it. Strip that back a little bit. I am just going to use a little gray wire nut. You can use any kind of connector here, butt connector, wire nut. You can use a Wago, whatever you want to use. This is a dry location. I am going to stuff these wires up in here. No filter. And as you can see, I done told the guy that kind of takes care of the campers that this air conditioner is probably not going to work much longer, because I can only imagine what that evaporator coil looks like. It's too dark over. Let me cut the air conditioner, or let me cut the thermostat on. It's on. Fan's on auto. Let's go to heat. It says the thermostat's on 85, so our heat should kick on. Here. It came right on. Let's go outside and see. Yeah, I think I heard it light. Yeah, I did. I heard it light. We're going to put this thermostat on a normal temperature. We're going to cut it down to 70. I got the light on now, you can see it. just gonna cut it down to 70. There we go. And got an easy one today. Let's go outside and see what the furnace sounds like and smells like out here. Sounds good. Smells good. So that's it. Talk about an easy peasy one. One of the other guys that kind of helps take care of these campers, he run to the post office, get the mail. Someone will hang around here for a few minutes till he gets back. Make sure there's nothing else they want me to look at on these campers. They got 3 of them. So yeah, one of my guys is back. Let me go talk to him. Y'all have a great day, and we will catch you next time. Does your RV have you stumped? Need a little help from an RV pro? Got a problem that's just a little too tough for you to handle on your own? Introducing helpmehillbilly.com. The Hillbilly helpline is here when you need it most. All you need is a basic knowledge of electricity, a test meter, some mechanical ability, and basic tools. We'll walk you through it via Zoom or FaceTime. Just $89.95 a call up to 1 hour. Pay easily through Venmo or PayPal. Get help the Hillbilly way.